This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello from Seoul. Just because something is quick and simple, that doesn't mean it's not great. This is one of the easiest fried rice of all time, but one of the best you will ever have.
Today, we're gonna be making the simplest and easiest fried rice in the world with this bad boy. Now, some of you might say, Aaron, I hate Spam. Isn't it cat food or something? Let me guess, you've never had it before, right? Then please watch this video until the end. If you do, I'm 100% sure you'll become a huge fan of it. I guarantee it. For this, you will need some rice, Spam, egg, green onion, and garlic. So simple, right? But if you really hate Spam or you have some kind of Spam allergy, then you can use whatever kind of a protein you like. Pork, beef, chicken, everything will be fantastic. But I'm gonna stick with this bad boy because it's delicious. Alright, first of all, let's talk about the rice. To get the best result, I cooked the rice and kept it in the fridge overnight because during this process, rice gets dry and it's much easier to stir fry. But this is not necessary. You can simply cook the rice with a little less water and just let it cool down completely. Or you could just use this kind of stuff. It's actually made to be microwaved, but if you open it, it looks dry, just like the old rice you kept it in the fridge. So it's your choice. Alright, enough talking. Let's prep our ingredients. First, cut 200 grams of Spam into quarter-inch cubes. Here, if you want to remove a little bit of saltiness or greasiness, soak them in some hot water for about 10 minutes. You're gonna get more light, not greasy fried rice at the end. Next, into a container, crack 4 eggs and add a pinch of salt. Normally, 1 egg for 1 portion, that's like an absolute rule or something. What? It was your leg day? So you need more protein? Don't worry about it. You can be a rule breaker. And then thinly slice some green onions. We're gonna make the beautiful green onion oil with the white parts and use the green parts for garnish. So as always, please separate the whites and greens. Once that's done, smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Now let's make the sauce. Of course, you could just add each ingredient as you cook. But if you prepare the sauce ahead of time, you can cook gracefully without reaching for a million things. So in a container, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and give it a good mix. Here, if you don't have chicken bouillon powder, you can substitute with oyster sauce. I use chicken bouillon powder just because I didn't want to make it too dark. What? You don't have mirin either? Then use sake or you could also use water. No problem at all, so just use what you have. That's the best. This is totally optional, but if you want to get the restaurant quality fried rice, even though your wok skills are not that great, then crumble the rice with your hands. Trust me, with this simple tip, you can make it easier and better. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a wok or pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it's heated, pour in the eggs and let them sit for about 30 seconds. Once they are 70% cooked, remove from the wok and set that aside. Because instead of just dumping everything into the wok, we're gonna make beautiful aromatic oil. So in the same wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and place it over high heat. Now stir in your Spam and cook for about 3 minutes or until golden brown and crisp. And then add the white parts of the green onions, garlic, and saute those for about 1 minute. Trust me, this beautiful aromatic oil will take it to the next level. Once your entire kitchen smells awesome and your family members start to come around you, add 4 cups of day-old rice, break it down a little bit, and give it a good stir for about 1 minute. Now pour the sauce around the edges and give it a chance to caramelize. Are you worried about your sauce being burnt? Don't worry about it. This simple technique will give you the smoky, umami flavor that you're looking for. After 30 seconds, stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes, as if you're a master chef. And during the time, if there's still some rice clumped together, try to break it apart and gently toss it around. Remember, every single grain of rice has to be beautifully coated. Now add your eggs back into the wok. Break it into little pieces and toast together for about a minute or two. And then give it a quick taste and add more salt if it's needed. To me, it's perfect, so I'm gonna skip that part. Alright, everything looks nice and well coated. Let's turn the heat off. And then to that, throw in our green onions, a generous pinch of toasted sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and give it a final mix. That's it! It's unbelievably simple, right? But I'm pretty sure this simple recipe will give you the best result. Just like Squarespace helps you create the best website that you dreamed of. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform that helps build a website, blog, or online store for you. Even if you have zero technical skills, thanks to Squarespace Fluid Engine, you can build an amazing website that actually converts customers. Instead of any complicated stuff, there's a grid inside where you can adjust spacing and sizing. So all you need to do is just simply customize every design detail with drag and drop. And you can even independently edit the desktop and mobile versions. Trust me, in my experience, optimizing your website both desktop and mobile is very important. Squarespace is not just a website builder, but it also has lots of tools to help you run many types of businesses, like e-commerce tools to manage your online store, member areas to sell your own course, and scheduling tools where clients can book appointments with you. Plus, they also have SEO tools so that your site can be found in search by more people more often. If you wanna try for yourself, build your site for free. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Aaron and Claire to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. You wanna experience the easiest and the best way to create your dream website? Squarespace will be with you. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Squarespace. Alright, finally, it's time to taste. Let's call our taste tester. Claire?
Ooh, spam fried rice? It's been a while since I had one. Let's give it a try. 스팸이 아주 잘게 쏙쏙쏙쏙 박혀있는 게 너무 귀여워 보여. 하지만 오늘 건 쉬운 음식이니까 또 엄격하게 평가해보겠다. 밥알이 하나하나 뭉치지 않고 잘 코팅된 게 보이네. 쇼그레인 라이스로 하면 이게 좀 어려워. So it's better to use jasmine rice. No need to use 쇼그레인 rice. Anyways, let's try. Cheers! 진짜 예상한 대로 밥알 하나하나리 잘 코팅된 게 입안에 막 돌아다니네. 오, 맛있다. 간장이 약간 눌렀었을 때 그 풍미도 느껴지고 마늘의 향도 느껴지는 데다가 마지막에 그 참기름의 향이 고소하게 샥 퍼지는 게 되게 예술이야. 먹어봐야 돼. 맛있어. 자기도 알다시피 내가 스팸을 그렇게 좋아하는 사람이 아니잖아. 근데 요거는 이렇게 딱 씹는 순간 육즙이 팍 하고 터지는데 거기에 약간 마늘 향도 나지 대파 향도 샥 녹아든 게 너무 맛있어. 사람들이 싫어할 만한 그런 스팸의 요소를 딱 없애준 것 같은 느낌이야. 왜 짭조름한데 너무 맛있다. 그리고 계란도 퐁신퐁신하니 두꺼우면서 맛있어. 하나하나 다 맛있네, 요소가. So, even though you are not a big fan of spam, this spam fried rice will be a totally different story. I know it sounds too Korean, but if you have some kimchi in your fridge, serve it with some kimchi. That's gonna be awesome pairing. Trust me, serve it. Enjoy!
Today, I showed you how to make egg fried rice with spam. How was it? It's so simple and easy to put together, right? With this recipe, you really don't need takeout fried rice anymore, because you can make it better. So go grab your apron and run to your kitchen. As always, something magical will happen to you. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.